Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman.
And I'm Richard, also known as Mr. Poorman. This week we bring our video to you from Ke'aiwe Hei'au Recreation Area, the Aiea Loop Trail within.
If you enjoy our videos, please like, comment, or subscribe.
Well, unfortunately this week, Mrs. Poorman has to work non-stop, so she won't be able to help. So I'm on my own, but hopefully I can get this done properly. As you may have noticed, recently we've been using our Cricut for various projects. But the one thing that really bothers me is all these accessories, and they have slots for them, but they're all over the place. So I thought I would make an organizer for this. And we happen to have a piece of wood that's a little unique. When purchasing a bunch of koa wood and other Hawaiian woods recently, I saw this and said, oh, we got to be able to make something out of it, and thought it was too easy to just drill a hole and put candles in it or make it into a pencil holder. So I'm going to see if I can do something to make this a Cricut accessory organizer. Let's see what we can do. And cue music. Look who showed up.
Hi everyone. Sorry I'm so late. Let's get started. Mr. Poorman started with a place for the markers.
Next, I need to make a place for the scrapers. If I had a router, this would be a piece of cake, but you have to make do with what you have. Now I need to drill out slots for the larger tools.
We needed a spot to store replacement blades, so we drilled out holes for them.
Our friend Brent over at the White Lab Workshop had a video recently where he talked about how much he loved sanding. So now we get to have some fun too.
After repairing his epic fail, we needed to clean the live edge, so we're going to use a polisher. Last but not least, we get to do our favorite part by using the epoxy.
And there you have it, our one-of-a-kind original Cricut tool organizer.
Well, that's all for this week. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Next week, we start a two-part series for our annual Christmas office decoration project. So until then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.